Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on how to create an online form using Foxit E-Sign software. With Foxit E-Sign, you can create online forms to collect additional information from your recipients before signing a document. First, you need to create a template to add an online form. You can check our video tutorial on how to create a template. Once you created a template and saved it, check on the template or the templates you want to add, then click on Create Online Form. The next window will show you a preview of the template and the request for additional information. Then, you must give a name to the form, so we will call it Job Contract. If you want to deactivate the form, select No under Form Active. Finally, you have the option to set up an expiration date on the form and determine the maximum number of people who will be filling it out. We would leave these last two fields blank. Finish by clicking Save and Next to go to the next page. This section allows you to choose additional setting options to configure your online form. For this example, we will keep the options already checked by default. However, we could change the scheme color of the form by introducing a color code. Now select Save and Next to move to the security page, where we are requested to select the level of authentication. For this, we would select an email verification and mobile number. Next is to establish the signer's sequences and their roles. Once they are added, save changes to go to the final page. This page section is where you provide users with instructions about the form. You can add your website link to embed this online form with your website. Once the instructions are completed, you can create a draft URL for internal use. This is highly recommended when a form needs to be approved internally. For now, we would generate a draft link. Finally, push Submit, and as you can see, you now have 3 shareable website links, a distribution, embedded, and a draft website link. If we copy the first one, we can see that a new online form has been created. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.